Okay, now a bullish and bearish example of an order block, as well as a little bit of an extra bit of sauce, which is confirming an FEG, right? So POIs as a result of liquidity. Those POIs as a result of liquidity can be other FEGs. They can also be order blocks and breaker blocks in S&D, right? So we have the initial push up. This gives us our high and our low. Now we've pushed down. We're expecting the creation of a new ISP here, bringing us into an FEG. So how do we confirm this FEG? Well, we have the creation of a bullish order block. Okay. So anatomy of an order block is a draw on liquidity. A bullish one would be a draw on liquidity to the sell side. Clear draw on liquidity paired with the FEG. Then we need a break of structure. So that would be an order flow shift. And an order flow shift, as we view it, is simply a sub boss, right? So you need this. You don't need a full-on SMB. We already know that we're bullish. So we're just looking for that realignment with order flow. As we push out of it, it is confirmed when we break the high. As we push back, we can expect that this low is protected, thus refining our invalidation point from here to just here now. And then your first entry is in here. And notice that there's really no FEG in here besides this little guy, but that's nothing important. It's not stacked with anything. It's all the way up at the top of the leg. So you come up into here. If you missed your first entry, or if you want extra confirmations, you can wait for that second break of structure and then a return to that order block. Again, as soon as we return back to that order block, we explode in price. Alternatively now, we can see after we've left the order block, we've then created a new FEG. So a third confirmation of a potential entry, right? So our invalidation point from here to here, now to here, when we've created this FEG and break of structure, right? So we can assume that a new ISP is forming here and then continue that order flow. And a sneak peek for you guys into the future, this is how you scale into positions. And if you followed my stories in the past, you'll see that I'll take multiple low R positions and they end up actually equaling quite a bit of R by the end of the day. So that's it. And then a bearish example, we come into an area of buy side liquidity. This one up candle displaces out, gives us that order flow shift or sub boss. As we approach back in, we can expect a bearish reaction out, and then you get two entries. And then again, following that order flow of type 2s, just as an extra confluence to this order block. Thanks. That's all, folks.